Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to change your TikTok account password step by step. Whether you want to improve your account security, update an old password, or change your password after noticing suspicious activity, this tutorial will guide you through the entire process. This guide works for both Android and iPhone, making it easy to keep your TikTok account secure. So make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. And if this video is helpful to you, do well to like, subscribe and leave a comment. Now let's get started. The first step you have to take is to tap on your TikTok app to open it. So let me tap on my TikTok app. You can see my TikTok app is opening. So once your TikTok app opens up, the next step you have to take is to tap on your TikTok profile icon. You can see it right there at the bottom right. So let me tap on it right away. Then the next step you have to take is to tap on the menu icon at the top right. You can see it right there at the top right corner. So let me tap on the menu icon. Then what you have to do now is to tap on where you can see settings and privacy. You can see it down there, the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on settings and privacy. Then under the settings and privacy, what you have to do is to tap on where you can see account. You can see it down there. So let me tap on account. Right here under the account, what you have to do is to tap on the second option, which is password. You can see password right there. So let me tap on password. That's where you're going to be able to change your password. Right here is the next step. It says verify identity. Verify is really you. Before you continue, verify your identity using one of the following methods. So what I'm going to do is to tap on password to select it. So I'm going to use password to verify my identity. So let me go ahead now to tap on next. Down there you can see next down there. Right here is the next step. It says enter password. Verify your identity by entering your password. So let me go ahead now to enter my old password. This video is about how to change your password. So let me enter the old password. You can see I've entered my old password. So what I'm going to do now is to tap on next. You can see next right there. So let me tap on next. Then right here it says change password. So what I'm going to do now is to go ahead now to create a new password, to type in the new password. And you can see there it says it must have at least 8 characters, it must have 1 letter, it must have 1 number, and also 1 special character, which include question mark, exclamation mark, and the rest of it. So let me go ahead now to input my new password. Let me go ahead now to type it in. You can see I've typed in my new password. So what I'm going to do now is to tap on continue. So let me tap on continue. Wow guys, you can see it says there password changed. You can see it right there at the top. And I also got a notification from TikTok. Let me tap on it so I can see what it says. It says there Evercare Eye Clinic, which is the name of the TikTok. It says your password was updated. So guys, you can see this is how you can be able to change your TikTok account password on your phone. And I believe this was helpful to you. If you did got value from this, please do well to like, subscribe and leave a comment. See you in the next video.